Did you know today we are going to make recycled robot puppets? I did not know that, but that sounds really fun.
Recycling is very important because it helps save the world. You'll need lots and lots and lots of scraps of paper. It's okay to reuse old art. You'll also need little scraps of paper too. These are all things that might be found in your house. You can use things such as pom-poms, pipe cleaners, stickers, or whatever you want. You're gonna need brads, also known as brass fasteners, but if you don't have them, these will also work as well. You're gonna need something to hold the puppet. You can get anything that looks like a stick. And last but not least, you're gonna need some of these things. Now, we're gonna make the head. Now make a body. Now you can make 2 legs and 2 arms. Place everything together, but don't glue it yet. You can have foam or cardboard to make it sturdier. Glue the head on. Decorate your puppet as much as you'd like. Use fun things you find all over your house. I like stickers. I decided to give my puppet a little bow. Punch holes in the arms and legs. Punch holes in the body too, but you might need an adult to help you. Connect the body using brads, rings, or whatever you'd like. Tape something that looks like a stick onto the back of your puppet's body.
Ta-da! This is my recycled robot puppet, and I named him Scrappy because he's got a lot of scraps glued to him. And he knows how to dance. Let's go have a puppet show!
Hello, is this where the robot party is?
Welcome to the robot party. It
Oh.
is amazing.
I love your outfit.
As you can hear the music inside.
All right, let's dance.
Oh.
Hit the like button and subscribe.